Video 60, Secondary Food Processing at Mrs. G Revises Food Prep. Secondary processing uses primary processed food. After primary processing comes secondary processing. Primary processed foods are turned into other food products by altering them in some way or combining them with other ingredients. So you take raw food, then it's primary processing, and then it goes to secondary processing. The three processes you need to learn about is flour being turned into pasta, fruit being turned into jam, and milk being turned to cheese. Flour to pasta. Pasta is made with a mixture of eggs and semolina flour. This is made from durum wheat. The ingredients form a dough, which is kneaded until it's smooth. Colourings can be added to dye the pasta, so beetroot can make it purple, carrot makes orange pasta, and spinach can make it green. The dough is then shaped, it's forced through a metal die and then folded or twisted to make different types of pasta. Pasta can be sold fresh or dried. Dried pasta has a much longer shelf life because all the moisture in the pasta is taken out. Fruit is turned into jam. Jam is a type of fruit preserve. It's made with crushed fruit, sugar, and pectin. Pectin is a gelling substance found in fruit when boiled to at least 105 degrees Celsius with the sugar and acid of the fruit. Pectin causes the jam to thicken and set as it cools. The sugar draws water out of the fruit, so it's different and difficult for microorganisms to grow. Jam is poured into glass jars, which are sealed to further extend the shelf life. Jam is an ambient food, which means it can be stored for several months without going off in normal temperatures. Processes such as boiling and drying remove important nutrients in food. In jam making, high temperature will destroy vitamin C in the fruit. Milk turned to cheese. For most types of cheese, raw milk is pasteurised to kill off any pathogenic bacteria. Friendly bacteria sour and thicken the milk, and rennet from calf stomachs is added. A vegetarian alternative to rennet can be used. Rennet causes the milk to coagulate into solid cheese curds. The liquid remaining is called whey. The whey is removed by either draining, cutting, cooking, salting, or stacking the curds on top of each other. This is called cheddaring. The curds are pressed to form blocks of cheese and placed in temperature-controlled storage to mature and develop taste and texture. Bacteria or moulds may be added to change the flavour of the cheese.